Alright, so here I am again, and I've decided to try to start a video log, otherwise known as a vlog, which basically just videos everyday random things, and just to kind of keep track of things that happen in life. I'm not at all going to try to do this every day, but maybe a couple times a week I can have a video done and just kind of get a glimpse into our lives. I am currently still in Macon. They're still in the hospital. I actually just got out and got a bite to eat at lunch. I went to Captain D's. It was quite delicious, I must say, and I am now headed back to the hospital. So Heather's actually doing really well. She's excuse me. They capped her drain. They stopped it up this morning. So she has the drain in, but it's not draining right now. So they're going to do that today, and then later on this afternoon they will take it out, which is going to be pretty exciting. So the goal is tomorrow we will be able to go home. Not saying we're completely in the clear right now. Basically what they're going to do is they're going to give it, kind of the doctor said about a week. He said within a week's time, if it does not start leaking out her incision again, then he says pretty much we're in the clear. But if it does, then they'll pretty much have to go back in and do surgery on her again, same spot, to figure out what the leaking is and to fix it. So right now we are definitely just praying that it does not leak anymore. But there's really no test or anything they can run to figure that out, which I don't really understand. But I'm not the doctor, so we'll see. So it's kind of where we're at right now. And like I said, I'm just heading back to the hospital, and so I'm just going to take you along for the ride with me. Hope you enjoy it. Alright, well, just got a phone call from a student at the hospital, and it seems that they just took the tube out, actually, which is earlier than we expected, which is great. Heather's doing fine. She really wasn't hurting or anything at all. So they're going to leave it out for a while. Doctor said later on this evening she can get a shower and wash her hair even, which she'll be really, really glad of. So that's great news. So I just wanted to share that with you. Alright, so we made it back. Just pulled in the parking lot. Actually pulled in the small cars only spot. But I think it'll be okay. So pretty good little parker, I think.
So I'm actually in the elevator, and I'm going to walk on the floor, and nobody's going to know I'm filming because I got my headphones in. Alright, now I'm about to walk in her room, and they're still not going to know I'm filming because I got my headphones in.
Hey, you missed all the fun.
That's what I hear.
Yeah, how you know I didn't hear you holler.
She did. I was nervous.
Oh, she wasn't.
It wasn't nervous.
Your friend come by.
Alright, so back, and it is now 9:05.
And we are.
9:05. So these people are officially 5 minutes late. Oh, we're walking out.
And we're leaving the hospital.
Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna walk out with them and get some hot chocolate. You want anything from
I'm good.
McDonald's? Okay. So here we go. So we are walking off the floor now. I'm gonna head downstairs, and they're leaving, and I'm going to McDonald's. Ooh, hurry, catch the elevator. Yes, we caught it. So we're now on the elevator. You guys want to say anything?
Kelly's vlogging is very stupid.
What?
I got pickle burps. Fried pickles.
Yeah.
Just looking forward to that 45-minute ride, huh?
Ooh, that's very true. Here we go.
Here.
Off the elevator. Mr. Cobb's got McDonald's. Alright, y'all leaving? Yeah. Bye, y'all. Y'all be careful. Have fun. And I'm now going to McDonald's. So here we go. Yes, ma'am. Can I get 2 hot chocolates, please, ma'am? Small? Yes, small.
Yeah. Ain't nobody better. Oh, she better hold up. What, 22?
Thank you very much. Here's McDonald's. Alright, so I just got done at McDonald's and got some hot chocolates. Ooh, very exciting. And now walking back up to the room. So here we go. Awesome. Alrighty, so back in the elevator and heading back up to the room. So it is getting a little late. It's like 9 o'clock. So we're going to be getting ready to turn in soon. Sorry, there's a lady on the stretcher out there. I didn't know if she really wanted to be on video. So here we go back in the room. Alrighty, so we are back, and this is pretty much our nightly ritual. I've got Miss Sheila over here on the computer. And Heather said I can now show her because the light is not on, so here she is. So you got an awesome shot of her cool glow finger. And she wants to wave it for you.
It's like E.T. Oh no.
So we've had some fun with her glow finger this week. And so here's my little camp out for a little while. Cool chair, and there's my computer. And my sleeping bag, and everything's over here in the corner, which you can't see because it's really dark. So I am getting ready to make up my bed and be heading out to sleep soon. So that's about it for this first vlog. So hopefully it wasn't too not good. So, but I will try it again another day. See ya.